What's going on, everybody? Got my ISR Performance Transmission Adapter Kit. Bought it off of Injuku Racing. Bought the week of Black Friday. They had a 10% off sale, so I decided to purchase it. Got the stuff on Sunday. Finally got around to opening it up, checking everything out. Because I bought it that week, got a little extras here. Bag, beanie, sticker, air freshener, glasses, keychain, and a face mask. Got flywheel bolt kit. The linkage adapter. The heat blanket for the starter. Nice aluminum flywheel with the pilot bushing. Then transmission adapter plate, pretty nice. And got the shifter bracket. Bolts. And then last, a high torque starter. Excited, still got a few more things to get. Got to get my headers and my drive shaft. Then after that, I need to start saving up and get a motor. Hopefully here soon I'll have some videos up of getting the V6 pulled out of the 350Z. Get that sold, that will be some money towards it. Like, share, comment, have any questions, let me know. Thanks.